guys, I'm Atarah and I'm back with another eyeshadow tutorial. Today we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. We're going to start by taking Come and Get It, which is this burnt orange colour right here, using that as our transition shade. Now if you want a bit of colour, this look is so simple and easy for absolutely anyone to do. So we're applying this to our crease, and once it's all blended out, we're going to take Saffron, which is this red shade right here, and we're going to pat that all over our eyelid, blending it upwards into that orange shade. Now mix Moroccan Ice and Casablanca to highlight our inner corners and our brow bone. Then take Evil Genie, which is this blue shade right here, and apply that to your waterline on top of a white eye pencil. Then also blend it along your bottom lash line. Finish off by adding some inner corner liner and some lashes to complete your look, and you're done. See, I told you guys this look was going to be simple and easy. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment letting me know if you're going to try this look and also what other type of looks you guys want to see me do. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Bye guys.